Hi everybody, this is Kenton DeYoung Travel. My name is Kenton DeYoung, and this is my girlfriend Jessica.
Hello.
And today we are unboxing a gift basket, if you will, from Mortise Tenon, a local business here in Regina. I have no idea what's inside of it. I told them, don't tell me, just put whatever you want in it. So Mortise Tenon is a local business in Regina that's been heavily impacted by the COVID-19 pandemic. I thought this would be a great opportunity to promote a local business. And I think what we should do is open this up and then reach inside blindly and take stuff out.
Like we can take turns.
Yeah. I have no idea what to expect out of this bag. It could be kombucha, it could be food, it could be straws, it could be anything. I have no idea what to expect.
Alright, you go first.
Good. It's a pretty small thing. This is a Pika Bear, a pin-up.
It's a little pizza pin.
It's a pizza pin.
That's cute.
That's really cute. This is $12. This is Pinley Up.
Cowgirl.
Cowgirl. Very cute.
Ooh. So these are laundry detergent strips.
That's what smells so good.
Oh yeah. Oh. They are phosphate free, all the bad stuff free. Eco-friendly, natural version of like balance sheets.
Yeah.
Is what I'm trying to say.
Mortise Tenon is like a knick-knack store in the city, so they have all assortment of different kind of things.
Natural, biodegradable, organic, natural, locally sourced, a lot of stuff.
Oh yeah. This. Oh, this is a dish, a soap dish.
Oh, nice. It's like Christmas.
Yeah, pretty much. I think there's something else in there that's
The organic fairies made a drop off. Ooh, the resin. Oh, leak-proof reusable bags, like Ziploc bags. But these are BPA free. If you don't know, BPA is like a long fancy name for some chemical that isn't necessarily good. It's an endocrine disruptor. It's bad for hormones, the environment. Anyway, so these are just like little sandwich bags. Those are cool.
very cool. Okay, I think this is a candle. Oh.
Was a candle.
Smokin' barbecue style
Oh,
gourmet mustard.
nice.
It's mustard, right? Or is it a candle?
Just spread it on your food.
We'll open it up
It's gluten free.
and see what it is.
Yeah, it's barbecue sauce.
Barbecue sauce. It's
Yeah.
not a candle.
Okay. So this is Himalayan pink salt. I actually use this a lot in place of real salt, or table salt, if you
Would
will.
you put that on your food?
Yeah, you could put it in your food. You could put it like in water. It's good for like electrolytes, keeping your electrolytes up.
Would you drink it?
Yeah, you just put like a sprinkle and some water,
Okay.
and it balances like your sodium and your potassium, and it's like a natural table salt alternative.
So I could take like potato skins and fry them up in the oven, then put this on top as like instead of salt.
Yeah, if you wanted to.
That's cool. Very cool. Okay. Oh, I think I knocked over something. This. I think it was. Blueberry and lavender jam for everyday occasions.
I didn't really think of putting lavender
No,
in jam,
you
so
know,
that's cool.
I read it and I didn't even realize that would be a weird combination. But
Interesting.
want to smell it?
Sure.
Oh wow,
Yeah, it's different.
it smells really nice. I don't think you like it, but
I don't like jam.
No.
I'm not a jam person, but
That's-
I mean,
That smells
could be
really
good.
nice.
It could be good. This is interesting. Ooh, a mason jar drink lid to put on your mason jar.
Oh yeah,
I guess it's like,
for people who use
Yeah.
jars instead of
yeah,
glasses.
I guess that's cool. If you do like, you know, if you're like one of those people who do like sauerkraut and make your own kombucha, is that a thing? I don't know. I guess this would be a cool alternative.
Yeah,
Apparently I'm slow.
I think you push it up. You just slide it.
Oh, okay, yeah. Pretty easy. That's cool. No, you don't think of the products that you need
No.
until you get them in a magic bag.
I'm getting all the. What's this? This is a candle.
Oh, that's
Okay.
a candle. This is a legit
Unicorn puke.
Cool.
The burlap bag.
That could smell real like that.
Unicorn puke?
No, burlap bag smell.
Oh, you think it smells like a burlap bag?
I don't know.
It smelled like a unicorn puke.
Why would you know what a unicorn puke smells like?
There we go.
Yeah, I've never been able to get that open.
Oh, wow.
That's strong.
That's strong.
It's strong. It's good though. It's a good straw.
Yeah, I think that is a burlap bag. No,
That's
unicorn puke.
okay.
Okay, what is it?
Hand poured small batches. Oh, cool.
Oh, so it's the burlap bag is the company. It smells like unicorn puke.
It's also made in Austin, Texas.
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 I actually really like that. I think I'll replace that with the candle at my place.
No.
It's almost done anyway.
Okay. Ooh, this is handmade soap.
Oh, cool.
Cold November Rain. Ooh. Smells nice.
Like that song, November Rain.
Look, yeah, it's Cold November Rain there.
Oh, that is strong.
This is made in Fernie, BC. And it's got limited ingredients, which is good.
Limited.
None of that crap.
Is that
filler.
what that means? Limited?
Limited means not many.
Oh. Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, look, they kind of use like a newspaper as a wrapper.
Yeah. So it's like reusable material, you know? It's not plastic.
Yeah. Very cool. Oh, I looked. I'll leave you.
I looked too, don't worry.
What's this?
Oops.
It's almost like mascara. Oh, what? What?
Oh, it's a straw cleaner.
Oh, that makes sense, right?
Nice.
At Mortise and Tenon, they sell metal straws
Yeah.
to replace those plastic ones that kill.
I have a friend who exclusively uses metal straws. So, that sound. I hate the squeaky sound.
Save the turtles.
Save the turtles.
Get a metal straw.
Ooh. A thing.
Remember when turtles were the big problem in the world?
Okay, so we got like a mason jar type thing.
That goes with the mason jar lid. Nice.
That it does!
Nice.
This is a Widdish cloth. Compostable. So that's cool. Cotton and cellulose. Oh, okay. So it's like natural and reusable, I think.
Can be washed time and time again at any temperature. Boiling equals bacteria free.
So we got
Cool.
some, it's like reusable forks
Are they made
and
out
a
of,
spoon.
they made out of plastic? It almost feels
Feels like some kind of compostable, reusable material.
Yeah, I almost want to say like wood.
Yeah.
Wood or paper.
And then you have like chopsticks.
Oh.
Those are cool.
Is that a knife too?
There's no knife,
Oh.
but it's fine.
That's okay.
It's still cool. This
Yeah,
is like
yeah.
almost like a wonton.
Yeah.
Not like,
It feels like it's very oriental.
yeah.
Is that all that's in the bag?
I think there's one more. Yeah, there's two more, but I think they're like the same, so just bring them up.
Okay. More matches. Good. I was running low on matches.
Nice.
This smell the smells. Smells the smells.
Smell it. Smells like a match.
So unicorn in the back. Go with the unicorn puke candle. And
Johnny's
Johnny's
Oh, it's deodorant.
Cash
mini deodorant.
mini deodorant.
Nice.
It's small.
Yeah, it's nice
So
mini.
here's the box.
The armpits of midgets. We'll edit that out.
And here is the deodorant. Oh, that's strong.
Oh, it is going strong.
I don't know if I like that.
Cool stuff in there.
Yeah, very cool
Sure.
stuff. Thank you, Mortise and Tenon, for putting that bag together for us. I had no idea what to expect.
No, lots of cool stuff.
I'm surprised there's no metal straw, because we got a metal straw cleaner, but I know there's some metal straws there.
Exactly.
A lot of them. I think they're less than $1 too. I think my favorite thing would either be this candle, the unicorn puke candle, or it would be this blueberry and lavender jam. I think it smells really nice.
I think I like actually the laundry strips.
Really?
Yeah. There's 32 loads in there. It smells
You
amazing.
can smell it from here.
Yeah. I'm always looking for like more natural laundry stuff. And I think I like the Ziploc bags because they're reusable, they're leak proof, and they're like real durable.
You want to open it up and see what it look like?
Sure. Like it is the most difficult way to cross them. Ooh, they're thick too. They're like. Oh, ants. Look at that.
The different sizes.
Yeah.
That's cool. And different colors.
Cool. That's handy.
Yeah.
Nice.
I'm actually really glad we opened that up.
Yeah.
It was not what I was expecting. But yeah, it's like a thick plastic.
Yeah, it's durable. It's not like those crappy Ziploc bags or breaks.
Yeah.
Nice.
If you want to visit Mortise Tenon for yourself, they're at 2415 11th Avenue here in Regina, Saskatchewan. Be sure to check their website, check their social media for the hours of operation. I think for now they're just doing curbside pickup, but that can change, whenever things change. But be sure to follow them. Be sure to check out their stuff. I like going there and buying knickknacks for birthdays and Christmases.
They have also like lots of cards and
Yes.
clothing and a bunch of cool stuff.
The cards on the back of the wall are really
Oh yeah,
cool.
they're funny.
Yeah.
Some of them.
And the name of it, Mortise Tenon, comes from woodworking. So there's lots of woodworking stuff there. You see lots of old, lots of paintings and drawings there.
Yeah, of Regina, like from people who live in Regina.
Yeah, local artists.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say.
You got me a few pieces of
Yeah,
art
a couple
from there.
ones at the park and.
It's a really nice place. We've been going there for years, off and on. I really recommend it, and I'm really happy they were willing to partner and work together on this. So be sure to check out Mortise Tenon, and be sure to follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube, and everywhere else in the world. And thank you so much for Jessica
Oh, you're
for
welcome.
joining me today on this lovely June day. And we'll see you guys next time.
Okay.
Okay, so we decided to try out the jam to see if it tastes as good as it smells. We chose not to try out the barbecue sauce on the bread because apparently that's weird. All right,
That is weird.
here we go.
You eat bread so weird.
It's really good. Very good.
What does it taste like?
Like blueberries.
And lavender?
You can smell the lavender. You can't really taste the lavender.
No.
That's really good. That's a good jam.